So here's my handheld vacuum. This thing has a filter in the back. It has a filter in the middle, a sponge filter, and you twist this to remove. They've actually given an extra one of these, which is kind of cool. Everything goes together easily. Finally, there's that and that. There we go. This is how you open it to empty. And you have the two attachments. You can see I've already used this. I've got cat hair on this one, but you've got the wide attachment, and you've got the long skinny one, which has a fold down brush on it. So if you need a brush, you've got a brush there. Now we got this to use in our camper because we do not have an awful lot of space in our camper. Can't have a vacuum that needs floor space because I just don't have it. This thing I can put away in a cupboard. It comes with 23 feet worth of cord, which takes me practically from one end to the other of my camper. So that is a really nice length of cord. It's a powerful machine. It's got a lot of suction. That's how it sounds. And I'll see if I can show you it working. If I can get my phone off the stand without stopping the recording. We shall see. There we go. It's off and we're still recording. Good. So, let me take this. And I did not vacuum in here on purpose so I could show this thing working. And it really, really picks up well. Well, you can see that, picking up the carpet or the rug. So it's got a lot of suction in it. And you can see, it's mostly cat hair. We have a lot of cat hair. We've got cats. So yeah, it works really well. It's going to be perfect for my camper. It's a nice little machine.